Hi, my name is Favor, a CRM and AI automation specialist. I'm excited to walk you through a smart lead qualification system I built using Make.com. This system is designed so you can spend less hours going through leads manually. With this system, you can automatically score leads, classify leads, and route them so your team can only focus on the leads that are likely going to convert. So let's get right into it. This system is triggered when a Google form is filled. So this is the form. I've already filled in some data into this form. So when this form is submitted, it automatically triggers this workflow. Once that is done, this Gmail module sends a welcome email to the client. This ensures that the company can start building communication with the lead instantly. After the email is sent, OpenAI will review the details of each lead and score them from 0 to 100 based on certain criteria. I've actually designed a well-structured form with a scoring logic that OpenAI will use. To score the lead, it will follow through this logic. It will look at the job title and score them using these points here. It will look at the monthly budget and score the lead based on these points here. It will also look at the company size and score the lead based on these points. It will look at the urgency level and score the lead based on these points. Then it will look at the industry. When scoring the lead, it will score the lead based on the details that this client has submitted on the form. Now, once this stage is done with, the next module is to classify the lead. I've also set up a structured prompt that guides ChatGPT on how it is going to classify this lead. With this prompt, ChatGPT classifies this lead as hot, warm, or cold. Scores between 80 to 100 are classified under hot lead, while scores between 60 to 79 are classified under warm lead, and scores below 60 are classified under cold lead. To score the lead, this ChatGPT module would have to go through the results from the previous ChatGPT module. This scoring and classification module gives the team instant clarity on who to prioritize. Next is to send a Slack notification to the lead team informing them that a new lead has filled out the form here. Now, once the notification has gone through, an email notification is also sent to the head of the lead team to ensure that he follows through, that the lead team reach out to the new lead that has filled the form. Once this is done, I set up a sleep module. The reason is to give this workflow a pause so everything can sync and our response will not look robotic to the client. So I've set up a router and a filter to guide how this lead is categorized. So depending on the classification, this system routes the lead automatically. For hot lead, there is a filter here that allows only hot lead to go through this route. There's also a filter here that allows only warm lead to go through this route. And there is a third filter here that allows cold lead to go through this route. With this, every lead gets an instant follow-up message tailored to their category. So I want to quickly show you our Airtable database. We have just two details from leads that have filled the form here, and we can see that this lead has been scored and classified. You can see that OpenAI scored them as cold lead. So now I want to submit this form that I have filled. I'll just click submit and go back to our workflow and run this workflow to test it out. You can see that the automation has started running and it's going through. And here, this particular form submission is routed to the hot lead route. You see, successful here and here. An email has been sent to this client. So let's check out Airtable. the client information has been populated into a table. The client's name, email address, company name. And see, this client have been classified as a hot lead. Let's also check out the email. So you see that our client has received the email. Let's open the welcome email first, which is the first email. Hi, Daniel. Thank you for filling out the form. We are reviewing your details. I will get back to you shortly. This is the welcome email. And let's go and view the next email. This is the next email. Hi, Nanya. Great news. You are a perfect fit for what we offer. I would love to help you hit your growth target quickly. And that is it. Both the first email and the second email has been sent to these clients. With this system in place, your team don't need to waste time on weak leads anymore. You will always know who is serious and what action to take next. It's also flexible. If you like to add a CRM update, dashboard, or booking tools later, this system can easily scale up with your business. To discuss more about your automation needs, kindly reach out to me by sending me a DM or click the invite button. See you soon. Bye.